Hey guys, I'm EDC Gunner. You're watching the EDC Watches. I'm an OG, just like this Planet Ocean is OG. Back in the days, for you who remember Dricos, Magnificent 7, and all the other watch guys, Guido Pelagos, and Matt Stevens. Matt Stevens likes Planet Oceans. Yeah, but I go way back and review watches on YouTube a lot. I'm here in Croatia on holiday. I'm here out sitting outside my hotel, enjoying the view, smoking cigarillo. Here's my hotel here, and enjoying the view. It's early morning, not that early, but for a vacation, it's okay. I'm gonna go to the beach and I'm taking my Planet Ocean with me, and I thought I just made a little video talking about it. This is one of the first iterations. No Time to Die, no, Casino Royale. Casino Royale is my favorite James Bond book. It's the first James Bond book by Ian Fleming. I own it. I read it multiple times, and I like it more than the film. But in the film, you will see Planet Ocean. And when this came out, it was blast. It was really something else, and it's dubbed Submariner Killer. It was like the best thing that came out of Omega and happened. So people made videos about it, raved about it, and I like how it represents an era of oversized watches. This is 45 mil. It's available in 42 as well, but yeah, it don't mind. It wears nice on my wrist, and the bracelet just perfect, comfy, hugs my wrist, lugs, hug, profile. Bit thick, but not too thick. I don't care, and I like how it represents of an era of oversized watches, especially now when we are going back to the more traditional sizes like 36, 38, and 40 is a max. And I just love it, and you can definitely tell which era this belongs to. 2005, 2010. Omega still makes Planet Ocean to this day. You have a ceramic bezel, which I'm not a fan of, simply because you will drop it on a tile and break it in half. And I like the look and feel and charm of the aluminum bezel. And I think it's too blingy, the ceramic bezels, but depends on the watch. I think every Planet Ocean looks good, even with the ceramic bezel or the older. And I just like it. I thought I'd make a short video. 2500 movement, coaxial, 600 meter water resistance. Just gorgeous. I love the air coating. And last year I was spending my vacation right here in the same place, same spot, and I brought my Submariner, and I didn't get that cool. It's a good watch, Submariner, but it's, when you walk through the dining area or the breakfast area and you spot someone wearing a cool watch, and you just give them a slight nod, whether it's some cool Citizen, Seiko, Tissot, or Planet Ocean, but you get a nod or a compliment and say nice watch, and you meet a watch buddy, and that happens with Omega more often than with the Submariner, even though it's one of the best, greatest die watches ever made. It's not as cool in that way like Omega is. So I like that aspect, even though it means nothing, but still I like it. And as well, this is a great watch, beast of a watch and a perfect diver. Yeah, I don't dive. I don't dive. Couple of meters, that's it. But swimming, snorkeling, having fun with my kids every day. It's a great companion, great summer companion, and great watch overall to have at any occasion and any place. And this could be one great watch to have for, yeah, simply if you're gonna be a watch guy, one watch guy, this could be the answer.